Introducing the Amazfit BIP6 smartwatch, a powerful wearable that strikes the perfect balance between smart technology and everyday practicality. With a sleek 46mm case, this watch commands attention with its bold yet lightweight design, crafted for comfort whether you're working out, sleeping, or going about your daily routine. One of its standout features is the large 1.97-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors, crisp text, and a smooth touch experience. Whether you're navigating menus, checking notifications, or viewing fitness data, the display's clarity is a game-changer, especially under sunlight. Under the hood, the BIP6 boasts remarkable battery life up to 14 days on a single charge, making it ideal for users who don't want to be tethered to a charger every night. This stamina is achieved without compromising on features. The watch includes built-in GPS and free offline maps, letting you track outdoor runs, hikes, and bike rides with precision, even in remote areas where your phone's signal may falter. This feature is particularly beneficial for travelers, runners, and adventurers looking to explore without limitations. Thanks to AI-powered capabilities, the BIP6 elevates your health and wellness experience. It tracks heart rate, blood oxygen levels, SpO2, stress, and even menstrual cycles, all presented with easy-to-understand metrics through the Zepp app. The advanced sleep monitoring system doesn't just tell you how long you slept but gives insights into deep, light, and REM sleep stages, helping you make informed lifestyle changes for better rest. When it comes to fitness, this smartwatch doesn't hold back. With over 140 workout modes, including running, cycling, swimming, yoga, strength training, and more, the BIP6 intelligently tracks movements, calories burned, and heart rate zones. It also supports 5 ATM water resistance, making it safe for swimming, showering, or running in the rain without worry. Another key feature is Bluetooth calling and smart notifications. With the built-in mic and speaker, you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist, access voice assistants, and read messages from apps like WhatsApp, SMS, or emails, all without needing to pull out your phone. This hands-free convenience is ideal for commuting, meetings, or workouts. Additionally, the Amazfit BIP6 allows you to control music playback, set alarms, use a stopwatch, get weather updates, and even control your smartphone's camera remotely, all from your wrist. And with custom watch faces and widgets, the experience is deeply personalizable to suit your style and routine. In conclusion, the Amazfit BIP6 isn't just a watch, it's a versatile companion for health, communication, and exploration. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech-savvy professional, or someone looking to streamline your daily life, the BIP6 delivers exceptional value with its rich set of features, robust build, and long-lasting battery.